Hello there. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about how to format strings with template literals using the backticks and the dollar sign. Well, it is a very easy method and a very efficient method. So let's start and let's see that how we can do it step by step. Let's go. Well, the basic syntax for using the template literals is that you use the backticks which is present below your escape key, which look like this, as you can see here, right? Yeah. And you also use the dollar and the curly bracket, right, to insert the variables or expressions. Fine. So let's understand that how we can work with it. So the first thing and first advantage is that you can insert variables sorry variables into a string. That will be very cool because earlier plus we used the plus method to add different variables, right? But now you can do it directly. How? Let's see. So let's take a variable that is name, which is having Amit. The second variable is your age, that is 20, or let's make it a number, that is 20. And letter message inside of this. Now I'm going to work with the template literal. First I will do what? I will use backtick, that is this, instead of your what, simple quotes. The simple quotes which you were was using earlier were like this, right? But now we are using this backtick. Fine. Now my name is, now earlier what we do, we normally use this plus method and then we write the name of the variable, that was like this, right? But now what we can do is just put a dollar sign, put the curly bracket. Now you can see the color got changed, right? Now instead of this we will write our variable, that is name, and my age is dollar sign again, and write the name of the variable, that is age. Let's go to our console and check that whether it is working or not. No, it is not working. What's the reason? Okay, let's change this name as first, right? Yeah. Now let's see. Okay, the problem is that I have not written the console here. Console.log. That was a mistake I was doing. Okay, you can see my name is Amit and my age is 20, as you can see here. So this Amit and 20 is coming from where? I have not written the name directly. I was using the variable with the help of the template literals, right? So this is your first feature of template literal, that you can insert variable into string directly. Fine. Now let's talk about the second feature, that is multi-line string. You can write the multi-line string with the help of template literals. How? Let's see. You just need to use a variable first, that is let greeting equals to, then put a backtick here, and now write whatever you want. Hello, my name is Piyush. Fine. Now if I print it, what do you think I'm going to get? Well, it will show the three different lines in my console, right? And if you use your normal quote here, then in that case you can see it is not working, it is showing me error, because in that case when you use normal quote, then you use the plus operator. So with you close every string, and then you use a plus operator, then you write another, and it become very meshy, and it is not very suggested to use, right? Yeah. So for writing multi-line string, we use the template literals. Fine. I hope you understood the concept very clearly. Now let's move to the third example and third use of your template literal. So the third use says that you can do the calculation or expression inside the string. How? So that is the third feature. Now how it can be done? Let's say the price is 500 and let's say the discount is 200, right? So if I say that let final price equals to, put a backtick here, and then the final price is, now final price will be what, 500 minus 200, that is 300, but I have not written 300 in any variable. I want to do it directly inside the string. For that I will simply write the dollar sign, then a curly bracket, and inside of it I'll write price minus discount. As you can see here, I'm doing and performing a operation, right? And this is your proper expression for that. Now if I go to my console, let's first print it, final price. Now let's go to our console and you can see the final price is 300. Where's this 300 is coming? 300 is coming by doing this particular calculation, that is price minus discount. So this is how you work with your template literals. These are the three main features of template literals, that is insert variable into string, multi-line string, and the use expressions, right? So this is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, goodbye.